I gotta tell you, okay, so that's one of the differences of Disneyland. Good morning, friends. We are still getting ready, but I just got a really cute little treat dropped off to us, and it looks like, so I think it's like a little note. Let's open it together. On behalf of the entire cast, we would like to welcome you back to Disney's Art of Animation. We're delighted and honored that you've chosen to stay with us again. We hope you enjoy your vacation. And I've never stayed here, but it's still a nice sentiment. And then I think what I got are the magical extras. So I'm staying on like as a travel agent. You can book as a travel agent when you become a travel agent. You have to sell a certain amount, but then you can start, and you have to pass the Disney College of Knowledge and keep up with everything. But included are your following items. Yep. 1 day of mini golf, or 1 round of mini golf, and 1 day at Wide World of Sports. So you get these magical extras when you book a package, and like I said, I'm a travel agent, so if you're looking to book a Disney vacation, let me know. Look, friends, here it is. It looks so cute. I'm really, really happy with the way that it turned out. It's got these cute little, all the cute little things, and it looks like they've already fallen because I put them on backwards. I was trying to keep the sparkle, but I think I might have to turn them around. So I'm happy with the way it turned out. Hello, friends. We are headed to, I think we're going to Magic Kingdom. I think that's what we've decided. Yep. We're going to Magic Kingdom, but tonight, you guys, I got an invitation to go and tour the new Riviera DVC resort. So we are doing that tonight. We'll have some dinner, and I'm hoping I can share all of that with you. I don't know what the rules on filming and pictures is going to be, but if I can, I'm definitely going to take you guys along. And I'll leave, by the time I edit this, I'll know whether or not I can, so I'll leave something right here that I'll let you guys know if the Riviera is something we can look forward to tonight to share together. Here's our bus. First bus ride. Hi! We are back at the Magic Kingdom. It's so funny when I watch this stuff, like when I watch it back, I'm always like, oh man, I wish I was there right now. So I'm like, I'm here right now. This is great. Say hi. So I think we're gonna go ahead in, and I don't know, I don't think we've decided what we're gonna do. We didn't really plan this trip just because we kind of wanted to take it easy, and I feel like the last few trips have been super go, go, go. So we're just trying to take it easy, aren't we, Suze?
Yes, we are. Just having a relaxing Disney vacation.
We are. Susie. You guys love Susie.
Allison.
Okay, we have a joke in my family. Well, between my mom and I, my family. I'm like, I really like being called Allison now as an adult, but when I was a little kid, I was called Allie. Like, that's a Zoe. The Zoe stroller. The best stroller. So I liked being called Allie as a kid, but now as an adult, I go by Allison. So my mom puts Allie, A-L-L-I-E, son, anytime she addresses me. I'm like, my mom, she's such a smart aleck. Have you ever seen the Magic Kingdom at noon on a, what is it, Wednesday? Noon on a Wednesday with open stiles. I was gonna call them turnstiles, but obviously these are not turnstiles.
It's just not picking your finger up.
Thank you. We're here! We're here!
You're home.
We're home. Yay!
One of our many castles.
One of our many castles. Any castle is home.
Yeah, it's kind of quiet.
Ready for a nap.
Oh, is somebody ready for a nappy? Oh, she blinked, did that. Like,
yeah. Let's go see my castle. I live there. I want to live there. Look who's in the center. How cute. Oh my gosh. The castle. Look at the castle. Look at that beautiful castle. I gotta tell you, okay, so that's one of the differences of Disneyland. Like, you come around the corner and it's this giant grand castle, but like at Disneyland, it just looks like this little teeny tiny thing.
It's true.
And there's just a much longer walkway. I don't know, it just feels
longer walkway.
Yeah.
It's kind of grander.
Yes, it feels more grand. It's like a grand stairway. So it just feels like a much grander experience, I would say. When people ask me, like, what is it? I'm like, it's the feeling I get when I see Cinderella's castle versus Sleeping Beauty's castle. And I know that people will disagree with me, and that's okay, but this is my opinion. I just feel like it's a much grander experience when you see Cinderella's castle. Look, you guys, you can see the castle show from the hub right now. What? Friends, we can see the castle show from the hub right now. There's like not a giant horde of people. Oh, look who had to set up. She had to set up to see what was going on.
What I'm finding interesting, so when we first started coming to Disney, so many years ago, before Ellie was born, we'd come at Easter, the 2 weeks around Easter, week before, week after, and it was great fun. Knew nothing else, and in fact, at that time thought, oh my gosh, I can't imagine coming back here at a time that wasn't Easter.
I imagine it's the same way that people who visit the Disney parks during Christmas every year feel.
Yes. That they
Like, I can't imagine not being here.
Well, here we are. We're now 2 weeks before Easter, and the crowds are low, and I'm sure it's because people will be coming in a week.
Yeah.
But this is really enjoyable.
Okay guys, so here is a difference between Ruthie and Rosie. Ruthie hated being carried. I have the Becco carrier. I'll link it down below. But I paid, I think, $160 for this. I don't know if they're that expensive anymore. So I got the Becco carrier. I was like, this will be great. Ruthie hated it. I may have carried her 5 times ever. Rosie loves it. So I feel like I'm actually getting my money's worth in the Becco carrier. And she's totally different. She just like, she talks in her sleep too, which you guys just got to see. Where are we? Aloha Isle. And we are getting the Hey Hey ice cream. And I can't, Mom, how long have we been talking about the Hey Hey ice cream?
Since we first saw it.
Yeah, we've been talking about it since we first saw it. So we're getting the Hey Hey ice cream. Though we still want Rapunzel and Up, and we want the rest of them, but we're gonna start with Hey Hey and hopefully move on to the other 2. And we've never gotten the Tinkerbell one.
No, we haven't.
We still haven't gotten Tinkerbell, so we got work to do. Well, I just met another friend, Olivia. Hi, thank you so much for coming out to say hi. You made my day. Hello, everyone. We're headed into Haunted Mansion for the new PhotoPass experience.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion.
Just went to Pinocchio Village House and got Rosie some food. We ate a little snack, and now we're headed into Peter Pan. If you can't tell, we're doing little kid rides because we got Rose Tozy with us. Oh, thank you. We got Rose Tozy. And there she is. She's ready to ride Peter Pan too. Thank you. Tinkerbell! It's Ariel! Yep. Hi, Ariel! I just think this is so beautiful. Looks like the moat, they're working on it.
What are they doing here?
I don't know, probably just, I don't know, I assume that they must empty the water every once in a while. I don't know, does anybody know? Oh look, it's completely all the way. Well, that makes sense considering this is the bridge you go over the most. They used to have that, they used to have the swan boats.
They did.
Or was that Disney? No, they had them here.
I know, I'm
It was
pretty
at
sure I
World.
rode on it.
Yes. And then, but it was a safety hazard because people would self-drive them and they'd run into each other.
Oh, well then you need a track and you need a new ride.
Well, of course.
What's the latest? Or, you know.
Once around the river on canoes or something.
It's where it's on a...
That'd be cool. Or you have, you know, a cast member who's doing it. And once around the Riverbend place. Or they could do the Storybook Land like they do at Disneyland.
I love that. I think it is so sweet.
It's so cute. I love it. Hello everyone. I'm sorry. This is just like a very random. You guys are like, where did you go? So we left Magic Kingdom. I think maybe I did tell you that. And now we're at Saratoga Springs because this is the pickup place to go and tour the Riviera. So we are headed from Saratoga. Yes, it smells beautiful. Is it jasmine? It smells like jasmine. You guys, it is a gorgeous day today. Like seriously, it is gorgeous. It is, when you go in the shade, it's cool. There's a nice breeze. I mean, oh my gosh. Everyone, write down this week. This week has been awesome and we've only been here for one day. Okay, we're here. It says the Disney Vacation Club Preview Center at Saratoga Springs, and if you see, I don't know if you guys can see this, but there is the Riviera sign. All right, friends, we are in the Preview Center. I just got my button that says I've been a member since 2008, and we are previewing the Riviera. So they have 2 model rooms for us, and it looks like they have some food and some entertainment. So I got this little pin, the new Riviera. Isn't that cute? Ooh, look at the model. Hello, friends. We've decided to take the walkway over to Disney Springs. So that's where we're headed, and I love this walk. I mean, this weather, this is like, I know I've already talked about the weather today. This is like the most perfect weather ever. It is, and I don't remember it always being this like not, it's just so nice.
We've not been here in April in a million years.
We haven't. We're usually here in March, which is hit or miss. Sometimes cold, sometimes.
February, same way, February, March.
Yep.
And then you've got hot.
And then you've got hot starting in mid-May. It is just, oh my gosh, this view. Let's just stand here for a minute because this is so beautiful right now. Suze, where are we?
Here's the Hangar Bar.
And we got the queso and chips. Queso fundido. And you got, what did you get?
I got the sangria. It's made in-house and it looks delicious. And I love this glass. This is just too
Yeah,
fun.
that glass is really cool. And then I got a Moscow Mule because that's my favorite. And then we got Rosie. So they have 2 kids options. You can get either the burger, which is what we got her, or you can get the chicken nuggets. And we had chicken nuggets last night, so I got her a burger. And she seems to be enjoying it. How was Hangar Bar? How was the food?
The food was tasty.
How was your drink?
My drink was very good.
Yes, we enjoyed the food and drink. Service?
2 out of 10.
2 out of 10. We had a server that was
Not a very
Should we
nice-
just had it
There was no Disney magic, and I think the evil queen was her mother. Oh, she's an evil step.
She was just kind of, I mean, it's not kind of, she was rude to us for no reason. Like, okay, hard pass. She just was like, no reason. She was just like rude, and she was rude to the other tables too. It wasn't just ours. There is a ton of entertainment happening out. I mean, Disney Springs is popping tonight. And it looks like here, I'm walking by Raglan Road and they have some live entertainment happening outside. They have live entertainment happening like all around. So it's just a beautiful night. We're having fun. Though we're gonna go back because I wouldn't say it's probably not an early morning for most people, but we have to be at the park by a certain time. So we're on to meet our friend. All right, I'll watch for a minute. Rosie, you gonna dance? Dance, dance, dance. Yeah. We are very tired. We cried the whole way from the bus. So we are headed back to our room. We're gonna go to bed because we have an exciting morning at Epcot tomorrow. So, and I get to meet Becca. I'm so excited. We've talked like practically every day for the last 6 months or something crazy. Long time. And so we finally get to meet and I'm so excited. I'm so excited for you guys to be able to meet her too. And we will see you in the morning. Good night.
Good night.